Monique Daniels here. I just wanted to come up here and demonstrate for you guys how I use one of our systems. And it's the system that contains the rose hips essential oil and the rose oil. And it is very, very, very beneficial for me. These masks, my face don't like the mask. Okay, my skin does not like the mask, period. You know, whenever I wear them, because I'm a person that deal with allergies, when I wear them, it tends to irritate my skin. So when I apply the system that I made to help with, you know, irritations like that, to help with acne breakouts, to help with pimples and, you know, hyperpigmentation and all types of different things, I like to put that on daily, because when I put it on in the morning and when I put it on, especially at nighttime, I wake up, either my bumps are diminished or they're gone. They're like totally gone by the morning time. So I had to run out and drop some stuff off to the post office today, and I had to wear my mask, and it was irritating. You know what I mean? My skin, my face is just very funny like that. So what I do is I use my Rose Hips facial cleanser. Okay, and it's a foam cleanser. So I just take that. All right, feels really nice too. So I take that and I gently massage it into my skin. Now, mind you, I am not a professional, so don't be leaving no comments about you shouldn't do this and you shouldn't do that and all this and that. I'm just showing you guys what works for me, okay? So that's what I do. I use this. I massage it into my skin, okay? I even get my eyes too. I like getting my eyes, but very gently getting my eyes. And then I take a clean cloth and I just gently clean it off, okay? And that's pretty much it. All right. And then after I do that, I take my my Rapid Rose Skin Treatment, right? This is what it looks like. And it is a serum. So it is very concentrated and very effective. So I usually put like 2 pumps into my hands, if you can see that. I'm trying to let you guys see. I am not a camera specialist, so I'm trying to just work with me here. And I put that on my face, right? Oh my God, and this stuff is so good. Like, by the time I wake up in the morning, because right now it's like, let me see, it's almost 5:30. I just finished working out and I just want to clean my face anyway. So by the time I wake up in the morning, oh my God, it helps to tighten the wrinkles around my eyes. It actually diminishes, you know, the breakouts that I get from, you know, the material and the masks that don't agree with my skin. And it is amazing. So anyways, after I do that, I moisturize with my rose oil moisturizer. And it actually has petals of rose in there. I'm going to show you my personal. This one is actually the one I sell. I don't use this. This is my personal, so you can really see what it looks like in there. As you can see, it's been used a lot. It's been used a lot. It got a lot of goodness in there. Yes, yes, I love this stuff. And the beauty of it is it's not oily at all. For my skin, I tend to have dry skin, normal to dry skin. So I use about like 2 drops of this, and I'm good. So go. Okay. Another person might need 1 drop. Another person might need 3. But I use 2 drops. I like getting around my nose because my nose gets very dry. But I work back like this. And like I said, I am not a specialist, a skin specialist. I'm just showing you guys what works for me. Disclaimer. I do put it on my eyes because it does help to lighten my dark circles. My eyes were actually darker than this. So it has helped with that, and it has helped to get rid of some of the fine lines around my eyes as well too. So I love this stuff. I love it, I love it, I love it. And then my skin just feels so moisturized. And like I said, depending on, what your skin needs, that's how much you use. If you need 1 drop, you use 1 drop. If you need 2, you use 2. If you need 3 drops, you use 3 drops. Everybody is different. Everybody has different needs. But yes, this stuff, oh my God, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. I have several products that I'm actually in love with, okay? And it's not just because, I make stuff to sell or whatever. It's because I actually have issues that I addressed for myself, because when I kept going to stores or ordering stuff online, I couldn't find stuff that would work for me. I could not find things that would work for my skin. I tried all type of acne products. I tried all